In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add whitelist email in Yahoo. By the end, you'll know how to make sure important messages from specific senders land exactly where you want them and don't get lost in spam. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look up to the top right and select Sign In. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely log in, then give it a moment to complete and return you to Yahoo. Once you're in, head into Mail by clicking the Mail link at the top. This will open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Next, we'll adjust your settings. In Yahoo Mail, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose More Settings at the bottom of that panel. This takes you to the full settings page with more options. On the left side, find and select Filters. Filters are rules that automatically sort messages based on criteria you set, which is exactly how we'll whitelist a sender. Click Add New Filters. You'll be asked to name your filter, type Whitelist. Giving it a clear name makes it easy to find and update later. Now set the conditions. Select a filter criterion. The most common is From, since you want to allow messages from a specific sender. For the match type, choose Contains. This means any email where the From address contains what you specify will match the filter. In the text field, type the email address you want to allow. Be precise here. Enter the full address so only messages from that sender are affected. Next, decide where those messages should go. Click Select Folder, then choose Whitelist. This tells Yahoo Mail to deliver matching emails straight to that folder, keeping them organized and away from spam. If you regularly check your inbox more than custom folders, you can move or reference messages from the Whitelist folder as needed, but for this setup, we'll stick with Whitelist as shown. When everything looks good, click Save. Your filter is now active. From this point forward, emails that meet your condition, messages from the address you entered, will be directed to the whitelist folder automatically. If you ever need to update the address, rename the filter, or change the destination folder, just return to Settings, open More Settings, go back to Filters, and edit or remove the rule. That's it. You've successfully added a whitelist filter in Yahoo Mail, helping ensure important messages reach you consistently.